Let us discuss some problems to rationalize the denominators of the following. Okay, the first one is 1 by root 7. Second one is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Third one is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Fourth one is 1 by root 7 minus 2. Here we are taking the first problem solution. We can take the denominator rationalize means what the number is in the denominator, we can take the same number, multiply with the numerator and the denominator for the irrational. Okay. Then 1 into root 7 is root 7. Root 7 into root 7 is 7. This is the rationalization. If the denominator having only one irrational number. In the second case, the denominator having the two irrationals difference. In that case, we are using the same number with the opposite side. Here minus is there. We can take the multiplication rationalized form, that is root 7 minus root 6 is there. We can multiply and divide with root 7 plus root 6. If the sign is changed, the terms are as it is. Okay, next it is equal to 1 into something is same, root 7 plus root 6. But here we are using the identity. What is that? A minus B into A plus B. That is equal to A square minus B square. Or if you recall it for the irrationals, root A minus root B into root A plus root B is equal to A minus B. If apply identity or the basic formula of the irrational, whatever you applying that, it's same only. Here root 7 whole square means root and square get cancelled. You are getting the 7 minus root 6 whole square means root and square get cancelled. You are getting 6. It is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1. So root 7 plus root 6 in the denominator 1 means it's only numerator we are taking. This is the rationalize. The second one, third one, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So for that, here the plus sign is there in between of the two numbers. So we can take the same numbers and opposite sign. Minus we are taking root 5 minus root 2. The term is multiply numerator and the denominator. Again here 1 into this root 5 minus root 2 is root 5 minus root 2 by, again we apply the formula. This is root A plus root B into root A minus root B equal to A minus B. So it is 5 minus 2. That is equal to root 5 minus root 2 by 3. So 1 by root 5 plus root 2 equal to 1 by 3 into root 5 minus root 2. Okay. Fourth one. 1 by root 7 minus 2. Here 1 is the irrational, 1 is the rational. In that case also we are taking the same terms, root 7 minus 2. That is multiply with root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus 2. Here what formula we are using? Just root A minus B into root A plus B. Here what the term having root, that is eliminated. A minus without root term is get the square. A minus B square. So it is equal to root 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 2 square. It is equal to root 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 2 to the 4. It is equal to root 7 plus 2 by 3. So 1 by root 7 minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 into root 7 plus 2. Is the solution.